Hello, God's eagle eyes, the chosen ones. Let's have some fun, okay? Like I said before, we're gonna sharpen our mind since this channel is about mental illness is real. So I know you know about the solitaire game. I know you know this is the try piece, okay? So we're going to sharpen our minds today, and the minds is a terrible thing to waste. So let's have some fun, okay? Here's the two. Now with two, the ace goes with the two, okay? So with the ace, the king goes, and I clicked on that. The king goes, and then okay, nothing else with the king, okay? All right, now I go back to the drawing, and I hope y'all can see this pretty good. There's 7, then you have 8, and then you have 7 again. And we look for either 6 or 7. Anything is if it's before 7 or after 6, then 7, 8. So we don't have anything. Go back to the drawing board. We got a king. Okay, now with king, we can do a 10. No, 10 it won't do. King, well, that's the same thing, isn't it? So this is called, this is sharpening your mind. Solitaire is real good. Y'all have it on the phone or whatever. I'm going back to the drawing board. I've really have got up to a superstar in here, and it relaxes me. Okay, so there's no number before the 5 or after the 5. Back to the drawing board. Okay, we got a 4. We got a 2. So 2 don't go with either of these. Okay, we got a 3. We don't have nothing for a 2 or a 4 for the 3. We got an 8. So what's after 8? 9. What's after 9? 10. Okay. 10, you can get a jack, or you can get let me see. Okay, a queen, jack again. Let's see. Normally I'll take a 10. Okay, got 10. Okay, now what's before 10? There go the 9, then the 8. Let's see, 8. So nothing can, okay, so I'm gonna 5, because there was a 6. So I'm just going to really wind this up now. Okay, we got a 5, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. Okay, nothing else behind the 3. We got 6. So the next, there go our 5, 6. Okay, go back to the drawing board. That's a jack, right? So jack, not king, go with that. Go with the jack. Okay. So we got the ace. The ace takes the king. Okay. Go back to the drawing board. There's nothing. Okay. With the queen is the what? King. Okay. Then, nope. King don't take the jack. And then we got 9, 7. Let's see. We got a queen. Okay. Queen takes the jack. Jack takes the queen. Okay. Let's see. So queen don't do 10, it's funny. Okay, then the next number is 7, because we had a 6. We go back to the drawing board. Okay, there's 9, and there's what? A 10. Then we can't use the 8. So, okay, let's do it again. So, okay, I can try it again. Okay, there's that 2. Okay, so nothing else. There's no 3. Of course, it's not a 1, but the 2 go with the ace. Okay, so the ace has the king. Let's see. Okay. 8, 7. I just hope y'all can see real good. I'm just gonna go on through. Okay, the king ain't doing nothing. We got a 5. Let's see, 4, 2, 3, 9, 10, 9. We got an 8. Where would a 9 be? Okay. We got 6, which is with the 5. Okay. 4, 5 is with the 4. Okay. 4, 3. Okay. We got the 6. So 5 go with it. Okay. We're going to see where we had missed. Got the J, queen. Okay, the 10. 10 takes the J. It takes the queen. King and the queen. Okay. Go back to the drawing board. We got the 2 for the ace. And then there's the 3. Okay. Got a 4. Nothing with the 4. Okay. With the queen. What goes with the queen is the king. King. Don't take neither one of the 10 nor a jack. Okay. There's 9. So 10. Okay. 10 takes the jack. So nothing else for the jack. So we got a what? 7. So here's 8, 7, 6. Okay. Remember we did this over. Now I don't see how. Okay. Queen. That don't. The ace don't go with the queen and all that. Oh. Shoot. It went with the 2. And I skipped it. Oh, that was my mistake. Let's do this again. Cause we are what? We are sharpening our minds. Cause see, if you ain't paying attention, that will happen, right? Okay, that king don't have too much of no connection, other connection. 8, 7. Okay, there's a king. King don't have too much of a connection, right? Okay, 5. We got the 4. And we got the 2. Nothing for the 2. For the 3. 9. 10, 9, 8. Okay. Go back to the drawing board. We got 6 with the 5. Okay. 4. That was 3 with the 4. Then we got 5 with the 6. 4, 5. You see how that go back and forth like that? Okay, we got the jack. There's the queen, then the king, and okay, because that king don't have too much, but the ace goes with the king. Okay, so the king still, like you say, it don't have too much of a connection. Here's a queen. Let's see, queen and jack. There's a jack. Has a 10. Okay. So the 10 takes the jack. There's a 9, 7. Queen and jack. Queen and a jack again. Okay, the queen don't have too much of a connection either. 7 and 6. Okay, 9, 10. Okay. Let's 2. What goes with the ace? 2. Then 3. Oh, shoot. So I think it really, okay, I'm going to a new game because I knew I noticed everything and it just, okay, I'm going to take accountability then. This is a queen. Okay, so I got to go to the deck. Okay. Jack and the 10. 9, 10, 9, 10. Okay. All right, with the ace is what? 2, ace, 2, 3. Okay. So there's the, let's see, should I do 3? Okay, 4, 3. Is that a 2? No. So I go 4, 5, 6. See how you have to figure that out? If I would have went 3, all them threes, that wouldn't have went. So, okay, 4, 3, 4, 3, give me 3, Okay. There's that queen, jack, queen, king, queen. Okay. All righty. 3. I hope y'all see it okay. 6, 9, 2. You know the ace goes with the 2. Oh, it also takes the king. Okay, nothing there. Let's see. Jack don't take the king. That's king and king. Can't do that. We got a 7, nothing there. 5 for the 6. We got 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, okay. Now it's going to shoot me another shot. Get those 3. Okay, if I do 3, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5. See how that is? If I do 3, 4, it go to 5. So if I just do 3, 4, 3, 2. So let's go with it. Okay, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, back to the deck. 6 with a 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should I do 8, 9, 10? Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 9. Okay. 9. So I guess we have to do 9, 10. 10. Would it take a queen? Would it take that? No. So we got to go back to the deck. There's 4, 5, then 3, 8, 7, 8. It takes the king, the ace, and then the king takes the queen. Let's see. Okay, go back to the deck. We got a 2. We got that ace again. Ace takes the king. It goes back. Take the ace. Okay. So ace only do 2 and king. Number 2 and king. Okay. Then of course with the king, there's the queen. Okay. She doesn't network too many. Okay. 4, 5. 6. Okay. Getting ready to close this out. Okay, got 10. Okay, that's it. Perfect. This is it. Watch what it say. Because I played the level 83. I'm a superstar. Oh, so I got another game and stuff that I could play as a bonus game. But anyway, you all, I thank you. We got to keep that mind sharpening, okay? So I'll see you on the next video. And remember God's eagle eyes and those and his chosen ones and the new subscribers. We're so grateful. Just remember that Jesus loves you and so do I.